Welcome to Rivet. Let's get started. You may already be familiar with the delete and transfer buttons on the jobs and workforce schedule views right there. Now, when transferring labor in Rivet using the transfer button, things are going to look a little bit different. When transferring labor, if there are any schedule conflicts throughout the duration of your transfer, a small modal will pop up in the center of your screen, giving you the option to clear this worker's schedule through this period, or double book them at an additional job. When painting these transfers in the Gantt, the schedule drawer will no longer open with options to dispatch this labor. If you wish to dispatch this transfer in the future, you can access the action log, or you can dispatch a reminder by clicking on the schedule segment itself. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Rivet's customer success team. And I hope the rest of your day is great.